What's up YouTube people, welcome back to MP World after so long time. In this video today I'm going to change MacBook display and I will show you step by step how to separate the old and damaged display and how to set up a new display to your MacBook. So basically this is MacBook 2017 model, which is pretty old, and Apple, they stopped releasing this MacBook series. I don't know why, but I still love this MacBook and I'm having this. So first you have to take care while separating your old display, because there is so many tiny ribbon attached to both part, like the lower part and the keyboard section, both section. Because if you break the concentration or if you do the hurry, then it can damage your ribbon. So you have to take care of this and you have to separate this very carefully. So here you can see this is the main motherboard and the CPU, and you can see here the lots of tiny section. You have to separate these very carefully, because this Mac is very old generation MacBook. So like every components is not available in the market, because like for I'm changing this display, it cost around more than $500, so which is pretty expensive because it's an old MacBook, but still I'm changing the display, replacing the display, so it cost seriously too much. That's why you have to take care all of the parts, because this MacBook is very slim. That's why I love this MacBook. And this is the, you can see this is the charging port, USB-C type charging port. And you can see inside the MacBook there is lots of dust and dirt. I will clean this section all after separating all the components from here, and I will try to clean this. Yeah, I will clean this MacBook with a toothbrush, and I use a thinner, so that can, like if you want to clean your MacBook, you must have to use the thinner, because thinner is perfect for the cleaning. And this the battery section, there's lots of dirt, you can see. Yeah, and this is the speaker. There is 4 speaker section, these two, and left side 2, so total 4 speaker. And still this MacBook battery backup is really fantastic. It's like I'm using since 2017 and I'm getting the battery backup more than 10 hours. Now I'm just cleaning the trackpad section with thinner and some cotton. So this area, in this area there was lots of dust, that's why. And here is my new display. I imported from China, and let's see. Yeah, they said it's not the original one, because Apple is not releasing the original display, not making the original display, so it's the first copy. But still it's too much expensive, it costs around more than $500. That's why let's see the quality. And they told me the quality would be as like the original one. They said this is the market original display. Now this display has made by some other company, not by Apple. So you have to take care when you assemble the display to your MacBook. You have to take care of one thing, the alignment. First, I'm screwing these two side and I will check the alignment now. Yeah, if the alignment is okay, then I will screw rest of the nuts. Now I think everything is perfect here, and I will set up mic. So this is the mic, and the right side and left side there is a charging port, USB-C type charging port. So I will set up all the things here. And on the other hand, like if you are not a technician, then please do not open at your home your MacBook, because it is a very sensitive machine. Please go to shop or go to a good technician or go to Apple Care, then they will replace your display. And now I hope this will work perfectly, and thank you for watching. And if you get any trouble or if you get any complications regarding your MacBook or iPhone, any software related issue, please let me know on my comment section below. I will obviously try to help you as much I can. And thank you. Please be safe.